Alright, this is Mike from Ecogard. Today we're installing a XA10486 into a 2016 Honda Pilot. Just a note before we get started, there is a locator guide in the housing. You'll notice that not all four sides of the air filter are identical. And you want to make sure you put this corner here, this wider corner, down into the corner of the housing, just like the filter that's coming out is placed today. So let's show you how to do this. There are just 3 tabs, 1, 2, and a third in the back. Lift the housing. I'm going to take out the OE filter here that was originally in here. It's about 12,000 miles on this vehicle. Here's a brand new Ecogard about to go in. So I've got this larger tab here. It goes in this down corner over here. Product slides in perfectly. Those 3 tabs, and we're done.